Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to add multiple videos on TikTok. TikTok is a social media app that allows users to share short videos. It's a great platform to showcase your creativity and share your talent with the world. If you're new to TikTok and want to learn how to add multiple videos, then you're in the right place. To add multiple videos, simply tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and go to the Upload button. Then, go to the Videos tab and select the videos that you want to upload. You can also choose the Select Multiple option to select multiple videos at once. Once you have selected the videos, tap the next option to load them. Adding multiple videos to your TikTok can increase engagement and make your content stand out from the rest. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a multi-video masterpiece that your followers will love. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.